That's much clearer. Kind of just resetting it. And that looks pretty good. We'll get it right back in there. Right back in. Right back in there. And that's that. We'll go ahead and button this guy back up. Like I said, I always start by putting it back in just like that right here first. And then there it goes. It'll just snap right back in there. Easy peasy. Good, good. So now that we know we have a clean spark arrestor, let's go ahead and see if we can get this to start up.